While we pay so much attention to all forms of hygiene, we tend to not give intimate hygiene the special attention that it needs. Whether it is about foul smell or good health, intimate hygiene is just as important as any other form of personal hygiene. Your genital region is more sensitive than any other part of your body. This is why you need a special intimate hygiene routine that is gentle enough for this sensitive part of your body. In today's video, we're going to talk about intimate hygiene tips that every man ought to know and follow. Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or I should say welcome if you're coming here for the first time. So today, let's discuss self-improvement and get a bit intimate with our discussion. Intimate hygiene for men is not something that comes up in conversation often. Even though there is a need to maintain cleanliness and practice a regular hygiene routine to prevent infections and odor down there. So why is intimate hygiene so important for us? The popular belief is that intimate hygiene for men is important because of sexual well-being and fitness. While this statement holds true, intimate hygiene is also important for overall health and fitness. Foul smell, itching, excessive sweat, rashes, pimples, etc. are all symptoms of poor intimate hygiene. The area around the groin already has more sweat glands than some other parts of the body. This is why an intimate hygiene routine is extremely important. Apart from washing down there in the shower, there are a lot more intimate hygiene tips that you need to follow. So let's get on with it. Number 1. Grooming regularly. Manscaping down there is essential in order to reduce sweating and thus accumulation of bacteria. Develop a trimming routine depending on how frequently you need to, ideally every couple of weeks. Avoid using razor and shaving your pubes as it can cause irritation and itching no matter what. I suggest this trimmer that I've been using and get the job done efficiently. I'll put a link below in the description in case you want to buy one. Once you've achieved an overall clean look, take a shower to cleanse properly. Don't use intimate washes. This is my personal recommendation after reading a lot of research material and specialist advice. pH levels are important to monitor when it comes to secretions of the body like urine and blood. In the case of intimate region of men, which is just skin and hair, pH levels are mainly self-regulating and not of any special concern. Instead, doctors suggest some simple hygiene practices that keep private parts clean and infection-free. Also, fungal infections are prevalent among men in India, as we live in tropical climates in most parts of the country. To avoid them, men should keep the intimate region dry, take showers regularly. Keep it simple, don't complicate it. Use soap, body washes with natural ingredients and water, and definitely moisturize after the shower and once it's dry. Number 3. A good and clean underwear. One of the most important and obvious intimate care tips is to wear a fresh pair of underwear. Apart from wearing fresh underwear, you also need to invest in the right fabrics. Stay away from synthetic fabrics, and this is where my favorite underwear brand Almo comes into rescue. One of the reasons I love their underwear is the fabric. They have options to choose from organic cotton and their special micromodal fabric. Their micromodal fabric underwear is 3 times softer than cotton and comes with properties like antimicrobial, anti-itch and anti-rash. It has higher stretchability and enhanced breathability that keeps and helps your intimate area cool and fresh. It's antimicrobial and helps prevent any bacteria due to sweat and moisture collection. That basically comes with the wash that is done on the underwear fabric to embed these qualities. Number 4. Wash up after. This intimate care tip is non-negotiable. Not just before, but cleaning up even after physical intimacy is highly important. This intimate hygiene tip is not just for you, but for your partner as well. Neglecting post-intimacy cleanup can lead to serious infections and discomfort. And now, it's time for the bonus tip, because you've watched this video all the way through the end. Eating healthy. Less of an intimate hygiene tip, but more of a health tip. This one is probably the least difficult to follow. Eating the right things can help with reducing sweat and foul smell. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, along with spinach and kale, are only a few of the many things that help you smell better down there. Drinking water and green tea is helpful as well. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you guys soon. And remember, life is more fun when you're on the top of your game.